to my favorite bunch of beauties. Welcome back to the channel. If you are a content creator and you are looking for a way to make your videos more entertaining and you don't know where to start, I have a program that is going to be perfect for you, an easy to use program. So stick with me and let's get started. I will show you the basics of this program. Alright, so we are going to go to the Wondershare Filmora website. So I will type in Filmora, and it pops up filmora.wondershare.com, and it'll bring you to this page here, which is their home page. And you have two options for downloading. You can download here, or even quicker, you can download for your specific, if you have a Windows PC or if you have a Mac operating system. This program will automatically detect what you have and it will download the right program for you. Before I go to the download, I just want to show you the plans that they have here. And then these are all of the annual plans. And the one that I have is just your basic one device plan. And only because I just only have a Mac. I'm not going to be using it for iPhone or iPad. I don't have a Windows PC. But then this is all of the features that you have with this plan. It is $49.99 a year, which is excellent. And if you use PayPal, you even get $5 more off of it. So I just wanted to show you that. So we will switch back over to the Filmora website, and I am going to click download here, and it'll send your download to here. But I won't click that because I already have it on my computer. But once you do click that, it will download the program onto your computer. I'm going to shrink that, and then I am going to open up the actual app that I have on my computer for Filmora. You'll get this screen here. So this is Filmora version 12, and you are going to open up new project. And I am going to expand my screen. This is what your sort of workstation looks like once you open up the program. And so up here you have import, which is where you will import all the clips that you want to edit for your video. They even give you, well, this is my media. They give you some stock media just in case you need, like, what do I call, I forgot what you call it, but it's just stuff that makes your videos more interesting. Audio files are here. So you have music, you have sound effects. I don't think I have any favorites in this one because I haven't used the audio files from here. But this is your music and sound effects. You have titles. I have used some of their lower thirds, which usually they can go at the bottom of your screen. I usually put them either like in the middle of the screen or to the right or left, but you have that option. They have different types of just titles that can go, like the big titles that can go like over your face, for lack of a better way to say it. And then the lower thirds that usually go down at the bottom of the screen. We have different options for titles, and when I say different, they have loads of different options included. And then transitions is pretty much how you are going to smoothly go from one clip in your video to the next one. They have a lot of cute options for transitions. Effects, they have, and you can preview them. Like if I look at this, like if I want confetti, they have a confetti effect here, and just different, like I'll just hover over it so you can see them. This one makes your video look old, and this one changes the contrast and just different things. And this is the glitch, which that is cute if you're trying to do like a little horror movie. They have stickers also, and this is where I usually find my subscribe, comment, like, those types of buttons here. And I have favorited some of those. Of course, they have things that say thank you, thanks for watching, things like that. And then they have templates. So the template is going to be how your whole video is going to look. Your whole video is going to fit into this template. I have not explored templates quite yet, but I am excited to try that. So we're going to go back to my media, and I need to put my clips into the program so I can create my video. So I'm going to hit import, and it'll bring up my clips that I have on my memory card. And the clips that I need are going to be I believe 71, 72, 73. No, 69, 70, and 71 are the clips I think I need. So we are just going to highlight all of those and hit open. And then they populate into the program. I'm going to click this import media button again. And I'm going to go to my desktop and just download a few more things that I need for my video, which are in my YouTube folder. So let's go back. Let me grab my green screen. And I'll grab my intro and outro, and then there's one more like overlay, and that is right here. And we'll hit open and those will populate in. Let me unhighlight them all. So the first thing to know is, first of all, don't get overwhelmed. The more you use it, the easier it will be. This is actually easier than a lot of the programs that I have tried. It's almost intuitive. So the main thing to know is that it's going to be pretty much drag and drop, which is what, you know, like most editing programs are. So the first thing that I want to do is just drag my intro, and it's just going to change my media because this is my HD media at 30 frames per second. So it's going to match that, and we'll drag that here. And then I will drag my first clip down here. And what I want to do first, I already know that my intro is okay. So there's no editing that needs to be done to that. I am going to go to the beginning of this clip, and I know that I kind of started over. So I'm going to show you how to get rid of that. What's up to my favorite bunch of beauties? Welcome back to the channel. This is my first video in the series for... Okay, so we'll stop it right there. And then they have this little split tool here. It looks like a pair of scissors. You'll just click on it. You'll highlight the clip that you want to delete, and you just hit your delete button. It'll bring it down to your intro. And then since I know that this is where I want to stay, like this is where I want to start, I'm going to go up to transitions. I use a fade transition in all of my videos at the beginning and the end of the videos to sort of merge my intro and outro to my videos. So I'm just going to grab this, drag it down, and I'm going to have it, for lack of a better word, have it straddle the first clip and the second clip. And then I'll show you what that looks like. And fades. What's up to my favorite bunch of beauty? So I'm going to go back to my media, because usually at this point of my video, I'll put the overlay with my social media information. So I'll grab that and we'll drag that down here. And this is what you normally see on my videos. I am actually going to double click this clip right here. I want that to fade in. So you'll go, this box here will pop up once you double click that clip. And I'm going to go to animation. And this is the animation for the beginning of your video. So I'm just going to have it fade in. And it'll give you a preview of what that looks like. And I'm going to click OK. I'm going to go back just a bit because I always, once I add or delete something, I always go back and look at it. So we'll hit play and you'll see how it
Bunch of beauties.
up.
Welcome back to the channel. Today is the first of my Empower Muse series.
Okay, and that is that for that. Now, what I normally do is like a few minutes in, I'll put something on my video that says subscribe. So we'll just go, let me see if I even have, yeah, I should have 5 minutes. So sort of right here, yeah, that's 5 minutes and 1 second. And I'll go to stickers. So like I told you before, stickers is where I have my little subscribe, comment, like, little badges like that. And they give you quite a few to choose from. Now, if you have Filmora, but you don't have the plugins and effects also, then whichever ones you see with a diamond on them, you will not be able to use unless you pay for them. So I'll go up here to all, and if you just want the free ones, then you can have the free ones, which they really still have some nice ones under the free ones. And actually, I can just use one from this, and I will use the little subscribe button here, and I'll do the same thing I always do. I'll grab it and I'll put it right there. So the thing is, once you put it here, it's going to be full screen. What you can do is double click it on the screen and shrink it down. And then I usually just put it over in the corner. And like I said, I always go back and review it. So we'll
just
hit
simply,
this button and you'll see how
if you have, like I have one of those
really nice
diffuser.
And then usually I will have like spaces in my videos where I have to get up and get something because I forgot it, or I have to turn the camera off or something, and then I'll have to put a transition into the video. But my next video is going to be on transitions, so the only transition that you'll see me put into this video is after the intro and before the outro. So we're going to go back to my media. And what I want to point out also is that, so you don't get confused about which clip did I put and which clip didn't I put. Once you put a clip into the timeline, you'll see a check mark. So you know you already used it. And what I am going to do now is just keep adding my clips one right beside the next. And I want to make this a little bit shorter, so I can take this and just make my clips look a little shorter so they don't take up so much of the screen, and that way I can kind of see what I'm doing a little bit better. And then I'll take my last clip and I'll put it down here to the end, and then this is usually where I will put, let's see, this is my outro
with limited let's start that over.
Hold on.
Started using, and at first I was using the program that comes on my computer.
Oh no, this is not it. We don't want that. That's the video that I am doing now. So there's only going to be 2 clips. And then what I usually will do is put my outro here, but I do have to go back and finish editing this video. And then I'll go back to my transition and we'll grab the fade. Sometimes I don't grab them. Here we go. And we'll straddle that between the two clips, and you'll see that it will fade out. And then there's my outro. And that is basically it. That is the simple way to edit a video. It does not take much time at all to do so. It is very simple. It is pretty much going to be a lot of playing with the program so that you can find out what works best for you, and so that you can get used to it and get comfortable with it. But like I said, this is going to be a series of videos, and the next video is going to be on transitions, and that will probably be in the next couple of weeks. So I want you to stay on the lookout for that one. I want to thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you are already subscribed, please make sure you hit that notification bell so you know when I have a new video going out. Have a great day, and don't let your day be a waste of makeup. Bye.